algebraic expression which made equal to 0 is called a simple equation. So here we have 4 problems. In this video we are going to learn how to solve these 4 problems. Here is the first question, x plus 5 is equal to 9. Second question, 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. And the third question, 9z is equal to 81. Fourth question, 5 into x plus 4 equal to 35. So these are the 4 questions, and how to solve these 4 questions we are going to learn now. So before going to solve these problems, we have to understand how to solve these simple equations. So we have to follow certain rules. What are the rules here? Variables should be on the left side. So what are the variables? All English alphabets, small English alphabets A to Z are called variables. Variables always should be on the left hand side. On the left hand side. Numbers should be on the right. So variables always should be on the left hand side of the equality, and numbers should be on the right hand side of the equality. And I will take one problem, and with the help of a problem I will explain. X plus 5, that is equal to 9. X plus 5, that is equal to 9. So this is the equality. This is the left hand side of the equation. This is the right hand side of the equation. So according to the rule, variable should be on the left, number to be on the right. So here 5 is a number, it is extra. So we have to eliminate this 5. So we are going to use balancing method to solve this problem. So only variable should be on the left. On the left hand side, only variable should be there. But 5 is a number, it is present in the left hand side. We should eliminate that. So how we are going to eliminate? Minus 5 on both sides. That is x plus 5. I am adding minus 5 on both sides. Plus 5, minus 5 going to cancel. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So here is the answer, x is equal to 4. We are using balancing method. We are balancing both the sides, left hand side as well as the right hand side. So on the left hand side, only variable should be there. Only variable. So what is the extra part here? Number is the extra part. So to eliminate that number, what I am doing? Here plus 5 is a number. That's why I am adding minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 becomes 0. That's why I am adding minus 5 on both sides. X plus 5. Now I am adding minus 5. Why I am adding minus 5? To eliminate this plus 5. Only variable should be there on the left. That's why. So 9 minus 5 become 4. Here is the answer, x is equal to 4. Next we will see one more question. (3x plus 8) 5x plus 2. So in this question, this is called left hand side. This is called right hand side. Okay. Variable should be on the left, number should be on the right. So now you see, first we will eliminate this 8. add minus 8 on both sides. Adding minus 8 on both sides. Three x plus 8 minus 8. 5x plus 2 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 going to cancel. That is 3x equal to 5x. 2 minus 8, it become 6. 2 minus 8, it becomes 6. Now you see here, this side variable is there. On the right hand side 5x variable is there. So now we should eliminate that variable. Add minus 5x on both sides. That is 3x minus 5x, 5x minus 6 minus 5x. Minus 5x cancel. Right hand side only number should be there, left hand side variable should be there. So for that we are eliminating here number, here variable. So here the difference is minus 2x. Now minus 6. 5x minus plus 5x minus 5x, that becomes 0. And we left with minus 6 here. Here minus 2x. Now again negative on both sides, we can cancel it. Now we have one more number 2 here. One more number 2 on the left hand side. To eliminate that, divide with 2 on both sides. If you divide with 2 on both sides, 2 gets cancelled, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Now the value of x is nothing but 3. So this is the way step by step eliminate the number and variable on both sides, so that you will get a answer. Next question. 9z equal to 81. See, this is called left hand side. This is called right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. So z is a variable and 9 is a number. Only variable should be there in the left hand side. Only variable. So to eliminate this number, what we are doing? Dividing with, divide with 9 on both sides. If you divide with 9, 9z by 9, that is equal to 81 by 9. 9 cancel. Z is equal to 9 one time, 9 times. You will get 9 is the answer. So very simple. So this is called balancing method. Or we can say elimination method. Next question. 5 into x plus 4 equal to 35. 5 into x plus 4. These two are in multiplication. So x is a variable, but here two more numbers are there, 4 and 5. We should eliminate that 5 and 4. So first these two are in multiplication, so that we can divide with 5 on both sides to eliminate this 5. that is 5 into x plus 4. We are dividing with 5. 5 gets cancelled. 5 one time, 5 7 times. Cancellation. Finally, we left with x plus 4 equal to 7. Now, only variable should be there on the left. 4 is extra. We should eliminate that 4 also. By adding minus 4 on both sides, we can eliminate that. We are adding minus 4 on both sides. Why we are adding? To eliminate this 4. Only purely variable should be there on the left. X is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. So this is the way we can solve simple equations very easily by using elimination method. Only thing we have to understand, variable should be on the left, number should be on the right.